Hey everyone, welcome once again to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and I'm back with another fun video. And in today's video I'm sharing a very beautiful and unique art form, which is diamond painting. I'm going to share the entire process of the unboxing of the kit and then making the craft and then decorating it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Here I'm unboxing the kit of the diamond painting, and this particular kit comes with a frame, an adhesive canvas, drills, that is rhinestones, they are called as drills too, and then it comes with a small glue which is in pink color, and it also comes with a small drill pen which is used to pick up the drills and paste it on the adhesive canvas. The drills or the rhinestones are generally marked with numbers or letters to make it distinct from each other, and the same numbers are mentioned on the canvas also. So the exact number of the drill or rhinestone that is mentioned on the packet goes on the exact same number that is mentioned in the canvas. To start with, there's a particular way that we need to start the diamond painting. If we are a right-handed person, we start generally from the right hand side, and if we are a left-handed person, we start from the left hand side so that our hands do not stick to the adhesive canvas. So to start with, I'm gonna take my drill pen and then dip it into the pink glue that is provided. Take a small amount of pink glue, and then I'm gonna dip it into the rhinestone. Just pick up one of the rhinestones using the glue that is inside the pen, and then place the rhinestone on the exact number where the number of the rhinestone is mentioned on the canvas. Oftentimes the pink glue comes with a little plastic film, so you need to just remove it before using it and then dip it in the pink glue, and then shake a little bit of the diamonds so that the top portion can be easily picked up, and then place it right at the place where the numbers are mentioned according to the one mentioned on the packets of the rhinestones. And this way we need to complete the entire design, and this is basically the concept of paint by numbers, and in using this concept only we are going to complete the entire diamond painting. I'm gonna request you to kindly excuse my sore voice this time. Definitely it should be better by the next time I'm going to shoot my video, and I hope the voice is clear for you to understand how I'm completing this entire project. This diamond painting is basically a concept for mixture of both cross stitch and a paint by numbers concept. And then in diamond painting I've used the number of rhinestones on the adhesive film, just the way I showed you, and using the color coding concept we do it, and the glittery and shimmery effect that the rhinestones give. So hence the concept of diamonds and painting. So this is the reason it is called diamond painting. Diamond painting is one of those stress relieving art forms that you can do in your free time, and it helps you to calm down and relax. And I think I had a great time when I was making this. I took around 3 hours to complete this entire kit, and had my share of oddly satisfying moments during the process. There were times when I had to place the drills in a circle, and the a pop sound that comes when you place the last drill at its exact position. The pop sound is oddly satisfying, and also once you complete the project, the glitter and shimmer of the completed project, I just cannot explain. It is totally therapeutic process and leaves one calm and relaxed, and I had a great time completing this project. Few things that we need to keep in our mind while doing diamond painting is that we do not use all the drills at the same time. We wait and determine which section we want to start with first, and then we cut the packets and then pour it according to the required quantity. Not, it may not be the exact same quantity, just a small amount, and then we put it in a small tray and then start shaking it so that the rhinestones are just at the right position. That is, the resin portion is on top so that we can pick it up easily with the drill pen. As you can see how I am doing it here, I just give a small shake to the diamond so that they are in correct position, and then I just place them. I just pick it up and I place them at the exact location where it is supposed to be according to the code. We need to keep picking up the pink glue with the help of the pink drill pen, so that the small drills, that the diamonds cling nicely onto the pen, and then we can place them onto the adhesive canvas nicely. As you can see in the current kit, the design is very simple, and I chose this design because Easter was quite near, so I thought a bunny design would be quite cute, and it is also a very simple pattern that I wanted to show you in case you want to start it out as a beginner. But definitely there are more complicated designs that come with diamond painting, and they have numerable color codings and a lot of diamonds that are available. I need to work around with the color codes, so it becomes little difficult. So one thing that is very important is that we keep up to the color coding, and then we check that each diamond is corresponding to the square that is mentioned on the canvas. Also, a very important yet simple trick that I would like to mention here is not to remove the top film that is there. It is a protective film and it protects the adhesive on the canvas, and if you remove it everything all at once, it is likely to attract more dust. Plus when you keep on working, your hands, wrist and fingers might get stuck at some portions, and then the adhesive part of the canvas can be compromised. So a very important yet simple trick and tip is to not remove the entire paper film that is there provided at all at once, and just the area that you're working at the moment, you just remove the film and place it back once that area is complete. As you can see in this particular kit, that all the rhinestones are in circle shape. There are also a few kits that have the drills that are in square shape, and those patterns also look very pretty. It is just that the square drills keep on looking more full, and the circle drills have little spaces in between. As you can see, a tiny bit of canvas can be seen in between two circle drills. So this is the only difference if you want to choose between drilling these diamond painting kits. The square drill patterns look more full, and the circle ones have tiny bit of spaces in between. However, it is easier and a faster process to fit in the circle diamonds compared to the square ones, because the square ones need to be just placed at the right spot, and the circle ones can just fit around, and hence they become a little bit easier and faster to complete. So here in this particular kit, you can see that I'm trying to complete the right hand side first. I'm trying to complete the entire right hand side first, and then slowly I'm shifting to the left portion, so that the film is still covering the adhesive part on the left hand side, and I'm able to complete everything on the right hand side, and my hands and fingers do not stick to the canvas. As you can see that I'm working my way across the canvas, and each diamond by diamond I am placing and completing the entire canvas, and finally I can see the gorgeous outcome, and it is looking absolutely pretty and oddly satisfying and very, very, very calming and therapeutic. Also, this video is a part of challenge hosted by Tiffany from Brogal Aesthetic, and I would like to thank Tiffany for the fun challenge that she announced. That is the Fun Time Friday. I had a great time creating this craft, and the co-host, that is Dee from Designers Loft, and Sule from My Style My Colors, all three of them are amazing creators. They have great creative content on their channels. I have mentioned all the three ladies channel in the description box below if you want to check them out. I'm sure you're going to love all three of them. And also the playlist for this Fun Time Friday challenge is there in the description box below in case you want to check it out. What fun we are having creating this Fun Time Friday challenge video. In case you have any questions regarding the diamond painting process, or if you would want me to do an advanced or intermediate level of diamond painting, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to answer if you have any queries, and I would love to do another level of diamond painting if you want to. Just give me your feedback about how you like this entire process of diamond painting. I'm sure if you try, it'll be very therapeutic and relaxing for you. I think during these times we need some kind of crafting and relaxing techniques that we can enjoy. So yeah, this is one of them, and you can just see how gorgeous it is looking. It is mentioned that you need to cut along the dotted lines of the canvas, and this is, I think, the last step to completing the project. I'm cutting all the four sides along the dotted lines, and my diamond painting is complete. It is looking so pretty, so cute. I am so happy that I could do it, and the 3 hours that I spent are absolutely worth it. The last step is to put this diamond painting along with fairy lights onto the frame and then marvel its beauty. I had this frame that was already provided in the kit. If you want, you can get a frame for your diamond painting, and this is the fairy light that came along with it. You can use it without it also. It's absolutely your choice. And this is how my diamond painting is looking. Isn't it looking gorgeous and shimmery and absolutely cute and pretty? I'm just loving it. So this is all for today's video. You can see after framing and putting the fairy lights, it is looking so gorgeous, and I already put it on display. You can keep it in your kids room if you have a kids pattern, or you can just put it anywhere. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos coming really soon. And till then, happy crafting, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.